Alright, so the reason for this video is because some of you guys are having trouble finding the option for the energy efficient or the speed of the network card negotiation. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get those settings. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the properties of the network card and we're going to click on configure. And then we're going to go to advanced, and as you can see on this machine that I have here, the energy efficient option is not in here. It's not under power management or anything like that. The speed and duplex is here, but I couldn't find a machine that didn't have that option, so we're going to make sure that the energy efficient one is installed. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the driver tab, and then we're going to click on update driver, and we're going to let Windows Update find the correct driver for this network card. Once it installs the correct driver, then all our options should be in there. So it installed a bunch of new tabs, and I'm looking for the speed and duplex, and I don't see it. But if you go to the top, now we have an option for link speed and power management. So if we click on link speed, there is auto negotiation, and under power management there is an energy efficient Ethernet option. So that's how you get it, guys. I hope this helps you guys out, and good luck.